Hello friends, today we will discuss about a small factor related to the small term in the commerce, that is what is the basic difference in the budgeted profit, standard profit and the actual profit. To understand this we have to take a small example. I think that I will produce some 100 bottles of water bottles and I will sell in the market with a profit of 5 rupees per bottle as margin. Then here the budgeted quantity that I think that I will be produced, that is 100, and the budgeted margin per unit is 5 rupees. When we will compute the total budgeted profit, we will simply multiply by budgeted quantity into budgeted margin per unit. That's why 100 into 5 is equal to 500. But when I went in the market to produce to collect the raw material for the production of the bottles, then I am able to get only raw material for 80 bottles. That's why I am able to produce only 80 bottles not for 100 bottles. That's why here the actual quantity is produced is 80. But till now I'm not entered the market for the selling of the bottles, and that's why I think about that I will get 5 rupees per bottle as margin. That's why here standard profit is actual quantity that is produced, that is 80, into budgeted margin, that is 5, is equal to 400. But when I entered in the actual market, then I realized that and I calculated that I am getting only 4 rupees per bottle as a profit. That's why actual profit is actual quantity I had available is 80 into the actual profit I got is 4 rupees. That's why 320 is the actual profit. When we are comparing to the budgeted to standard, there is no change in the budgeted margin, means in the margin is the same in case of the calculation of the budgeted profit as well as the standard profit. Only the changes is the quantity, that during the computation of the budgeted margin, budgeted profit, total budgeted profit, we are taking budgeted quantity, wherever in case of standard quantity, means standard profit, computation of the standard profit, we are taking the actual quantity that we are able to produce. That's why in case of budgeted and standard, only the quantity is the difference. Here is budgeted quantity, here is actual quantity. When similarly when we are comparing to standard to actual, the quantity will be same. In case of standard profit, the quantity is equal to, during the computation of the actual profit, is the quantity is the same. But the profit, in case of standard profit, computation of the standard profit, total standard profit, we are taking the budgeted margin, whereas we are during the computation of the actual profit, total actual profit, we are taking the actual margin per unit. That means for budgeted to standard, only the quantity is changes and the margin will be same, budgeted margin. When we are comparing to standard to actual, quantity is the same, the changes is here